Hello friend, all the TYBS students are welcome here. Today we will learn about the functions of the Golgi complex. Now the Golgi complex is very important organelles which is present in the cell. Now it shows the various functions of the cell, and as per following functions the Golgi complex performs functions such as Golgi and cell secretion. There are definite evidences which suggest relation between Golgi and cell secretion which postulated by the Golgi 1914. The very fact that the Golgi are very well developed in all cells exhibiting high secretion activity clearly suggests that they play main role in the formation of granules. There is an example of secretion of Golgi complex oocyte yolk product formation. Yolk product formation, that is nothing but the egg yolk formed by the Golgi complex. Now next function, that is the role in protein secretion. Now the Golgi complex, how to play the role of protein synthesis or protein secretion. You know that the endoplasmic reticulum also having the attached ribosomal bodies, and these ribosomal body which are pinch of the vesicles containing the proteins, and therefore this is also the morphological evidence that the endoplasmic reticulum travel the proteins toward the Golgi complex, and in the Golgi complex the proteins are concentrated and transformed into zymogen granule which release and migrate to the surface of the cell, and this is also function. Then the synthesis of carbohydrates. Now Golgi complex also shows the synthesis of carbohydrates, that is in plant cell the Golgi vesicle fuses with plasma membrane and cell wall. In plant cell division, new cell plate formation, Golgi produces dictyosomes for the formation of cell plate. Then the enzyme synthesis or enzyme formation, including acid, have often been demonstrated to be active in dictyosomes. The most characteristic enzymes associated with Golgi membrane are those linking sugars with proteins to form glycoproteins. For example, mucopolysaccharide used by Hydra for attaching its base to substratum. Now polysaccharides. Now polysaccharide, you know that the number of monosaccharides which form the polysaccharides. Now the Golgi complex also shows the synthesis of the polysaccharide, where the capillaries of vascular system, which is amino acids, are synthesized into proteins on the ribosomes of the endoplasmic reticulum, and these proteins are then transferred to the cisternae of the Golgi complex. The simple sugar molecules go directly from the blood stream to Golgi complex cisternae, where they are complex with protein to form glycoproteins. Now glycoproteins are nothing but the polysaccharides, and which is then sulfated in the Golgi complex to form mucígen, and thus these mucígen at the distal cisternae becomes rounded off and are transformed into mucígen granules. The mucígen granules are secreted into the intestine by exocytosis, during which the vesicle membrane fuses with plasma membrane. Now, formation of acrosome during the spermatogenesis. During the maturation of sperm, the Golgi plays a role in the formation of acrosome. Now, in this function, where at the time of their development of the sperm, there is a presence of the Golgi complex, and this Golgi complex vesicle which are dilated toward the center of the nucleus, and then where the formation of the tip of the sperm, there is a pointed structure which is dilated due to the presence of the Golgi complex, and This Golgi complex useful for the penetration of the sperm into the egg. So that is also the function of the Golgi complex in the spermatogenesis. Then pigment formation. Now Golgi complex produces pigment, that is nothing but the melanin, in the renal pigment epithelium of chick embryo, in the test cell of ovaries of certain tunicates, and in the oocyte of salamander. We are, I think in human being there is a, that the skin also having the melanin, and this melanin secretion is due to the Golgi complex, presence of the Golgi complex, that is the melanin pigment which is secreted by the Golgi complex, and it perform the color of the that animal. Thank you very much. Okay.